Hi, I'm Geraldine. I'm studying bachelor's degree in English and Spanish in UPV University. It is located in Medellin, Colombia. According to Mickey Rogers, who is one of the authors of Open Mind in the Man series, teachers share the same type of difficulties with speaking activities. For example, students don't want to speak and they lack required vocabulary to express their ideas. So the question for you is, what are the types of difficulties with speaking activities? I wanted to add two more difficulties because it happened when I was in high school. The first one is students speak in a different context from the reality. I spoke in a different context. I talk about the US breakfast or the routine of American person, but I didn't speak about my breakfast, my lunch, or my schedule on a weekly day. So it is necessary that students speak from their reality that could be funny for them. The second one is other students love from students' pronunciation. Everyone is learning in a class, and every process is different and special too. Why? Because each person has a way to learn. Students must be respected. If a classmate is speaking and she or he make a mistake, teacher will help that students. The rest of the class must be quiet. Do you want to add another concern? I'm sure that you are in another city or in another country and you want to add another concern. Also, Ms. Rogers proposed some themes to achieve speaking activities. For example, review useful grammar and vocabulary before the task. It is not necessary to give a list with thoughts and verbs or expressions with students. Teachers can share 5 or 10 words and students will improve their English and know more new words. The second one, brainstorm ideas. When I think in a brain, I imagine a big brain in cartoon, in a template, or on the board. It can work. Students often need help with thinking of an experience or a topic to talk. The last one is to give students a framework that they can use to plan what they are going to say. Teachers can share with students a graphic or a model, but it should not be mandatory. Give the students the opportunity to create their own model with colors, with crayons, everything they want to use to inspire them. I could say, if speaking activity is successful, a lesson plan is successful too. And Ms. Rogers proposed some advantages. This provides thinking and planning time, and this is an opportunity for you to help students with individual vocabulary questions. Teachers will improve the lesson plans, but also students because they will feel more prepared, take a personal interest, learn the vocabulary they need and want, do the tasks more efficiently using less native language. Here you can find sub-themes to use in your classes. For example, karaoke. Karaoke always is fun. You can choose the song or your students can choose the song. Warm-up is one of the most important part in a class. Riddles, funny story of the week. For example, one student shared a funny story during the week with their families or their friends. It could work. Jokes. In a class, we have many funny students, and they can participate in this part. Tips of grammar, debates about everything, about the weather, about the weekend, about the pollution. And for last one, we have performance. A body expression, students can move and they practice a lot of words in English. I know that students, even teachers, think that books are boring, but if you know how to use a book, it could be worse. I have these books. It's called Dictionary of Idioms, more than 600 phrases, sayings, and expression. It was a gift from a US teacher that I knew last week, and she wants that I practice my English so I can read, I can new culture and practice new words. So now is your opportunity to teach speaking.